Hello people, it is me, General MEP, and today we will be doing a product comparison and review on my brand new vacuum cleaner with the assistance of my hairy dog, Gracie. Let's get started. Gracie, put some hair on this throw rug. Very hairy. Good job, Gracie. First, we will test the new vacuum, the Riccar 25 series. Well, so far I am not impressed. It seems to have left quite a bit of hair. Okay, now let's test this beat up old Bissell Power Force Compact Turbo. Well, it seems that there's still a little bit of hair left, but the Bissell thus far has done better than the Riccar. Wait just a minute. What is that thing on the Riccar? A breaker? Reset that thing. Gracie, put some more hair on the carpet. Well, look at that. This Riccar 25 series did a pretty darn good job. Once the brush bar was actually turning. Nary a hair left. Don't forget to like and subscribe.